summary of 5 gears, done by Basmo.app. Be aware of what gear you are currently in at all times. Use the right gear to communicate when you are with people. You may be moving a bit too fast for those around you, or you may be moving a bit too slow for those around you. You need to find just the right speed to communicate well and efficiently with those around you. This was something that one of the authors, Jeremie, found out later. He was driving too fast for those around him. The concept of gears concerns the transmission of manual cars. The first gear is for your recharge. The second gear is for connecting deeply with those close to you, like friends and family. The third gear is for just socializing. The fourth gear is for getting multiple works done, and the last gear is for focusing on just a particular task. The fifth gear is where your productivity just shoots through the roof. It is where you can easily do your work and have complete focus without distractions. It is what people use when they are at work during the day. This gear is quite good and effective, but it also has negatives. The fifth gear makes it difficult for other people to communicate with you. When you are so fixated on completing a task, it can get harder and harder to relate with others, which could affect relationships with people in some cases. You can use the fifth gear effectively by detaching yourself from distractions and keeping your entire focus always. An excellent way to correct the fifth gear's negatives is to let people know about your availability in these periods. Many use their fourth gear for their daily activities. This is good as you can focus on multiple things simultaneously. You can easily switch from working on one thing to another. The only problem with this gear is that it can quickly burn you out. You can easily get tired and lose it when you constantly have to move your attention or focus from one subject and discussion to another. This can be very tiring and is why you get burned out. We can all use our third gear to make new friends easily. It allows for socializing and meeting new people or hanging out with existing friends and relatives. Third gear is vital for building relationships, but it can be challenging to find the time to listen genuinely. It can be challenging to find a middle ground where you can both enjoy yourselves. We can quickly lose interest in the interest of others. Although this gear is suitable for socializing, we can soon get bored due to losing interest.